Hello everyone, welcome back to School Academia. Today we will learn about profit and loss. And in this chapter, at first we will learn about the introduction to profit and loss. Then we will learn some facts and formulas. And after that we will discuss certain problems based on profit and loss. And after that, at the end of this session, I will be taking all your queries in the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started. So at first we have to know what is cost price. The price at which an article is purchased is called cost price. Okay. I repeat, the price at which an article is purchased is called cost price. Okay. And the selling price. The price at which an article is sold is called selling price. Okay. So for an example, we can take a bag. Okay. We have bought the bag at rupees 100 and we have sold the bag at rupees 120. So here this is the cost price CP and this is the selling price, that is SP. Okay, and here we can see that we have bought the bag at rupees 100 and sold the bag at rupees 120. So we have made a gain or profit of 20% or rupees 20. Okay, of rupees 20, because here the cost price is lesser than the selling price. So here the gain or profit is equals to selling price minus the cost price, that is 120 minus 100 equals to rupees 20. So we have made a profit of rupees 20. And now there may be another scenario, that is we have bought a bag at rupees 100 and sold the bag at rupees 80. So here we can see that the cost price is more than the selling price. So here we have incurred a loss, and loss is always equals to cost price minus the selling price. So here the cost price is 100 and the selling price is 80. So we have incurred a loss of rupees 20. Okay, of rupees 20. So now we will discuss some formulas. Okay, so first, gain or profit. We have learnt it earlier that it will be SP minus CP. Now loss. Loss will be equals to CP minus SP. Okay. Now gain percentage. Gain percentage. Here the formula will be gain divided by cost price into 100%. Into 100%. Okay. So suppose we have gained rupees 20 and the cost price is 100, then the gain percentage will be 20%. As simple as that. Okay. Now the loss percent. The loss percent is loss divided by cost price into 100%. Suppose in the sum earlier we have seen that we have incurred a loss of 20 and the cost price was 100. So in this case we have incurred the loss percent of 20%. The loss percent is 20%. You must be wondering that why there is always CP in the denominator, in the base, because CP is the constant over here. CP doesn't change. Whether it is a loss or it is a profit, the CP remains same. So we have to calculate gain percent and loss percent over the CP itself, over the cost price itself, always. Okay. Now the formula of getting selling price when the gain percentage and CP is given. When the gain percentage and CP is given is 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into CP. Okay, into CP. Similarly, when the loss percent is given and the CP is given, then the SP will be 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into CP. Okay. Similarly, we can get CP when the gain percent and the SP is given, and the formula will be 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent into SP. Just the reverse of it. Just the reverse of it. Okay. Now, when the SP and the loss percent is given, we can get the CP by 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into SP. Okay, very simple. So these are the formulas that you have to remember in case of profit and loss. Okay. Now in the first question it has been mentioned that a man buys an article for rupees 27.50 and sells it for rupees 28.60. Find his gain percent. Okay, so here the CP, or the cost price, is equals to rupees 27.50 and the selling price is equals to 28.60. So here the gain is equals to rupees 28.60 minus 27.50, that is equals to rupees 1.10. Okay, so we can easily calculate the gain percent. We know the formula. It will be the gain divided by the cost price into 100%. Okay, so the answer will be 4%. Very simple. Now we will move on to the next sum, that is if a radio is purchased for rupees 490 and sold for rupees 465.50, find the loss percent, because here the cost price is more than the selling price, right? So here the CP is equals to rupees 490 and SP is equals to rupees 465.50. Okay, so the loss will be cost price minus the selling price. Okay, so it will be 24.50. So we can calculate the loss percentage. It will be the loss divided by the cost price into 100%. So the answer will be 5%. Very easy. So I hope you have learned today the basics of profit and loss, and if you like to have more videos like this in profit and loss and in any other chapters of mathematics, then please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.